from the national government led by Madam Rachel, who's from the National Titling Center, and also Bana Mutiso, who is the Land Adjudication and Settlement Officer in Isiolo, and the team from Survey and Land Adjudication. And this is exercise that we have kicked off officially, the exercise for adjudication for Garbatula. We did a public participation. Now the team is on the ground. They will be here for the budget day of 21 days to do this exercise, and we intend actually to do adjudication in the gazetted 5-kilometer area, which was gazetted, and capture all the plots within this area and do adjudication.
It will start by landowners pointing their land parcels, and those parcels will be recorded by the recording officer, and it will be picked by the survey officer.
Nimefurahi kwa service ambaye imetoka national government kushikana na county government na kufikia sisi hapa. Kwa kweli jambo muhimu zaidi ndio imetufikia na tumefurahi zaidi.
Hii ndio title deed ya kwanza, na nashukuru Governor Kayole kwa bidii yake. Leo tumesikia tutapata title deed. Nashukuru sana.
Nashukuru our able governor Abdi Ibrahim Guyo kutuletea title deed. It is our first time kupata title deed Garbatula, na tunakushukuru sana.